Top 5 chemistry facts behind cleaning products.
Join us as we uncover the fascinating science that powers everyday household cleaners. From breaking down stubborn stains to killing harmful germs, chemistry is at work every time you tidy up. These 5 surprising facts reveal why cleaning products are so effective and how the molecules inside them protect your home.
1. Surfactants, breaking down grease.
Surfactants are special molecules found in soaps and detergents. They have one end that loves water and another that clings to oil and grease. When you use these products, surfactants trap oily dirt in tiny droplets, letting water wash it all away. That's why greasy dishes and dirty surfaces come clean so easily.
2. pH levels, acidic and alkaline power.
The effectiveness of many cleaners depends on their pH level. Alkaline cleaners like baking soda are great for cutting through grease and protein stains, while acidic cleaners such as vinegar excel at dissolving mineral deposits and soap scum. Knowing the chemistry of pH helps you choose the right cleaner for every job.
3. Oxidizers, banishing tough stains.
Ingredients like hydrogen peroxide and bleach are called oxidizers. These powerful chemicals break down colored stains by changing their molecular structure, making them invisible to the eye. That's why oxidizing cleaners are the go-to choice for whitening laundry and tackling stubborn molds and mildews.
4. Antimicrobial agents defeating germs.
Cleaning products with antimicrobial agents are designed to kill or block the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Substances like alcohol and quaternary ammonium compounds damage the outer layers of germs, making sure your kitchen and bathroom surfaces stay hygienic and safe.
5. Enzymes, nature's stain busters.
Enzyme-based cleaners use naturally occurring proteins to break apart complex stains like food, sweat, or grass. These enzymes target specific types of dirt, making them incredibly efficient at removing organic messes from fabrics and surfaces while being gentle on materials and the environment.